Welcome back to my workshop. Now today, hopefully it's going to be a very quick project. I've been asked to make a crochet hook, now like this one. Okay, apparently there's a whole set here, but there's one missing, which is a 9mm. So what I was going to do is I was going to turn down a piece of rod and basically make one of these. But I was in the wardrobe the other day and my coat hanger broke. Oh look at that. It's nearly the right size. So I'm going to try and turn this into a 9mm crochet hook. So in my head, this is going to be super simple. Right, so all of these are the same size, about 6 inches, so 150mm. Okay, so step one, cut this down to 150mm. So I've managed to get 2 of these out of the cross brace of this. Right, so let's shape the ends. Okay, so I've got my blank here. I guess the next stage is cutting out this hooking groove here. What I've done is quickly put these next to each other. I've used the 10mm from the set. I just basically use that to trace round to make the pencil mark. Now I was going to use one of these little tiny Japanese saw, but I might as well use this. Okay, it's a scroll saw. Let's give that a go, shall we? Okay, so now I've got my hook like this. Here's the original. Here's my one. Okay, what I've got to do now is quickly sand it down because these are 9.48mm and I need it 9mm. So all I'm going to do is I'll put a bit of tape around the end. I'm going to stick it in my drill. Obviously not crushing it too much because it's only soft wood. Then basically running around the drill. Okay, let's do some sanding. Okay, so now I've got my groove cut out. I've sanded it down to dead on 9mm. I put a little knob on the end. I've got two of these now, obviously out of the same coat hanger. Now I want to put some wax on them, but before I do that, if you look on the original ones, it's got the measurement on it, 10mm. Now obviously I'm not going to be able to get it this fine, but I want to put 9mm on here. So what I'm going to use is this. Okay, my little Pyrography pen. It's got a relatively fine tip on it. I'll see if I can do something with that. All right, let's turn this on. That's going to get hot. Right, so I've got my 9mm on there. Okay, ooh, like that. Now I just want to put a little bit of wax on it. I'm going to use this natural creamed beeswax. Okay, just give them a quick coat and then buff it off and then get it to the test department. Okay, so they've now had a coat of wax. All I've got to do now is see if I can get these tested. I have no idea how to crochet, so I'm going to take these to Mrs. Little Workshop and see if she can make something quickly. Okay, but these look similar to the others. Let me show you. Okay, here's the rest of the set. Here's my couple of 9mm. Yeah, different colour, but they look like they'll do the job. All right, let's get these tested. Okay, so I've just taken these to the test department. This one is fine, it's okay, works fine. But this one, it's a little bit catchy. I don't know what's going on, but this is obviously a little bit rougher here. And it's catching the wool as she's crocheting. Also, this she thinks is a little bit long, so I'm going to make this a little bit shorter and a little bit dumpier. Okay, so let's get that sanded. Okay, I've now just done this with a little bit of Yorkshire grit to see if that helps. Back to the test department. Right, I'm in the test department. Mrs. Little Workshop is now showing us how it's done. Well, how she does it. Okay, that looks like that works. It's just a load of knots. Okay, so that's it. It's past the test department. Both of these seem to work. Yeah. They look alright, little knob on the end. It's got the 9mm written on it. Got two of them, both work. Both made out of one coat hanger. So I'm going to find out if I can make anything else with the rest of it. Right, I'll get these delivered and emergency averted. Alright, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.